Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the session. In this particular session, we will be doing this is the architecture for the whole particular thing, right? So, what is we are going to do here is we will be creating up a lambda, right? And then we'll be going for the API gateway and the traffic connection, whatever which will be coming from the public side or from the outside, it will be hitting the API gateway, right? And then this will be invoking the lambda. Makes sense? Which is something, for example, this one lambda Python code, and which is for example we are picking up uh, the password generator thingy, and then the security param will be added by API gateway, which is an REST API call, and these are the steps for the lab, right? Makes sense? So let's take it further ahead. So Python I have written there, and you can take a look at the code, right? It's a Python code. Okay, so just click on deploy. So just first deploy the Python code. Once the deployment is succeeded, we are going to check it. So I'm going to switch to the old editor. I'm not familiar with the new one, right? So I'll deploy it. Okay, yeah, and after the deploy I will be going to do test with an event, and this is the event. Test event 1, save it, test it, and welcome to the password generator. Unexpected is most runtime error, and the query parameters, this is required. Okay, so yeah, so this is the thing for the post. So this request is the post. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be just invoking this particular code with a particular URL. So the URL will be created from the API gateway, right? So let's click on add trigger, and let's go for the API gateway. So create a new API. Security will be open. We don't want any JWT token authentication, right? And this becomes the endpoint, right? So the endpoint for the thing, and again it is showing up the error, right? So here what we'll be doing is that let's type length equals to 9, suppose. Your password is this one. Thanks for using the password generator, right? And this same thing once I will be doing with the Postman, it is going to come out something here, right? Yeah, so length equals to 9, and this is the thing with the password generator, right? So what I wanted to highlight here is that if we will be taking a look at the lambda code, one second, if I will go back to lambda and take a look at this particular thing, this one, this is the same thing which we are writing up here. That's the logic, length. Okay, that's all for the video, right? I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and let's catch up on the next particular problem statement. Thank you.